Okay, this is a 30 amp, 5 volt electronic speed controller, 3-phase little hacked together air core motor. This is nickel cadmium voltage pack. I've got it tapped at I believe 8 volts. The input on this is a maximum of 12 volts. This is a little testing unit, and the motor doesn't start right away. There it goes. Can you see it running? And we'll speed it up a little bit. Okay, so you can see that it's got quite a bit of resistance to overcome since my build isn't so good, but that's a pretty good proof of concept there.